Okay. Oath of office. I state your name. Having been elected as of, state your position. State your association. Do hereby and solemnly swear that I will fulfill my duties and obligations in my full capacity with integrity, honesty, sincerity, and humility. And commitment as an officer. I shall promise to follow the Constitution and bylaws and abide the rules and regulations of this association. I further swear that I will faithfully discharge my duties as to the best of my ability. With this, I ask the help of God Almighty to grant me the grace to strengthen and inspire me to be of further service to my fellow retirees. So help me God. Congratulations po. Palakpakan naman po natin, mga officers po natin.
Ready po. 1, 2, 3. Dito ba tingin? 1, 2, 3. Thumbs up po tayo. Thumbs up po. Thumbs up po. Then pakita po natin yung papel. Ready po. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, magsitayo po tayong lahat. Pina-photo op, kasama po ang ating Governor Dr. Helen Tan and Doc Kim Tan. Magsitayo na po, and then tatawag na po ako ng unang bayan para po makapag-lunch. Photo op na po together. Hawakan po natin ang mga flag. Raise your flags, everyone. Come on. Lapit na po. Lapit na po tayo. Wala na po yung space sa gitna. Compress, kumbaga, compress. Come on, everyone. Dito na po. Raise your flag. Come on.
Okay po. 1.
Ready po.
Ready po.
Alright. One more.
Thumbs up po.
Thumbs up po.
Thumbs up, everyone. Para sa serbisyong tunay